must admit, I do get a little sentimental about this part of the Cape. I'm very proud of it. Just look at that, zooming into the most beautiful isolated beach in Africa. But there are still problems, as you will see, zooming out. This is one of the places that the municipality still shows a measure of interest in and does maintain it to some degree. There's a shark spotter, that's great. And they do remove the weeds or the litter every now and then, so that does help. However, as we approach Spark's tidal pool, which few of you know about, but is one of the most beautiful spots to go for a swim in the False Bay area, you'll notice that the weeds are completely unattended. The pool area, a beautiful pool, by the way, as you can see, a massive big pool, and certainly enough accommodation there for many swimmers and people who enjoy the outdoors. However, the municipality have completely lost interest in maintaining it. Now, let me just show you around here to the left over here. There's what once was a shower. We'll get closer to that later. We'll zoom in, I'll show you. Okay, certainly due to the recklessness of certain individuals who cast their cigarettes into the bush. There's the result. Very sad. The destruction of this part of the Cape is an epidemic. And there are no fire watch people out here, so yeah, being uninhabited and unused, there's no one watching it. But there's the shower I told you about. There used to be running water there off the mountain. No more, I'm afraid.